so much. Please be seated. I feel something heavy in the room tonight. I feel the weight of misunderstanding, and I'm here to lift it. Can I get an amen? People look at this building, 17 rooms, 17 beds, 17 women who used to cry themselves to sleep. And they call it a house of sin, but I call it a sanctuary. Because when a woman walks through my door, broken by a man who stops seeing her, I do not turn her away. I put her to work in the only way that makes her feel valuable again. I am a selfless man. I am a selfless man. Everything I give until it costs me. Selfless man. Woo! I have held women while they told me their husbands only touch them on birthdays. I have listened for hours to stories about cold dinners and colder beds. And when they asked me what they were worth, I showed them not with words, with my body, with my time, with my consistency. That is not lost, that is ministry. Yeah. I am a selfless man. I am a selfless man. I pour myself out so they can feel full again. A selfless man. Woo! Do you know what it takes to smile at 17 different women and make each one believe she is the only one? Do you know the emotional strength required to remember every name, every soft spot, every lie they need to hear so they can get through the night? Carry all of that every single day, and I never ask for a thank you, because a true servant does not need applause. He only needs results. Some nights I am tired, some nights my body aches from giving too much. Some nights I look in the mirror and wonder who is left for me. But then I remember this was never about me. This was about the women who needed a man strong enough to take what their husbands were too weak to give. I am a selfless man. A selfless man. I have been called a pimp, a predator, a problem. But I ask you tonight, if I disappear tomorrow, how many of these women go back to feeling invisible? How many go back to being touched like an obligation? I stay so they don't have to.
I am a selfless man.
I am a selfless man.
I am a selfless man.
I have given giving my body, my time, in my name, so that others may rise. I am a selfless man. I am a selfless man. And if you still walk out of here believing I am the villain, then I will pray for you, because clearly your heart is harder than mine. God bless these women, God bless this building, and God bless the work that most men are too afraid to do.